Greetings, listeners. Masauraro barkamu da haka. Now let's learn the second set, which contain only 4 letters. Yanzu bari mu karatu akan rukuni na biyu waɗanda suke da haruffa huɗu kadai. A, ba, ɗa, ɗa, ƙa, ƙa, ya. Now don't get confused. Kada ku ruɗe masu sauraro. Ba looks like ba. The only difference is that there is something on top of ba, while ba doesn't have anything on top. Da looks like da. The only difference is that da has this thing on top, while da doesn't have. Bambancin shine da tana da wannan abun a samanta, da kuma ba ta da shi. Ka looks like ka. The only difference is that ka has this thing on top, while ka doesn't have. Ka tana da wannan abun a sama, ka ba ta da shi. And finally, ya has this apostrophe sign, as you can see, and therefore it looks like ya, while ya doesn't have that apostrophe sign. This is the only difference. Harafin ya yana tare da apostrophe sign, ya kuma babu. So this is the only difference between ya and ya, and therefore this is the second set and they contain 4. Wannan shine rukuni na biyu kuma su guda hudu ne. The effort is brought to you by Phenomenal Exercise Academy. Love you. Bye for now.